Danes je zame osebno in za Ljubljano izjemen dan. Danes v tej državi, v Evropi, ki govori o recesiji, o varčevanju, smo mogoče Ljubljana tisto mesto, ki kažemo, zakaj lahko drugače, zakaj lahko govorimo o razvoju, zakaj lahko govorimo o optimizmu in ravno današnji večer je krona tega optimizma, ki vlada v Ljubljani. In sedaj tu zvečer združujemo 3 dogodke, ki so danes v Ljubljani. Vsi trije govorijo o optimizmu, o uspešnosti, o želji po uspehu. In to je tisto, kar danes svet potrebuje. Začnemo lahko z združenjem delničarjev, ki predstavlja svoje programe. Imamo tuje investitorje in investitorje, ki vidijo svojo priložnost, in imamo lokalne skupnosti, ki morajo uskladiti življenje prebivalcev, željam investitorjev in obiskovalcev. In prepričan sem, da boste to spoznali, da je Ljubljano to možno. Torej, uživajte, dobrodošli danes, dobrodošli vedno v Ljubljani, najlepšem mestu na svetu.
Dear colleagues, respected guests, in the name of Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association, World Federation of Investors, European Shareholders Association and European Federation of Users of Financial Services, I wish you really pleasant evening. We host here close to 100 representatives of investors from all around the world, so we call it world's largest meeting of investors and shareholders representatives. All of you are welcome in this part of our international meeting. And of course, it's also an honor that with 2 friend associations that also organize international meetings. One is FDI Summit, and another one here, it's GFS Ljubljana Forum. So I'm really glad that it should become traditional, that we join forces trying to do what is really best and what brings a better future for all of us and of course of Commonwealth of society as such.
I would really like to thank to all partners, supporters, corporations that help us in these difficult times. And of course to all of you, especially the knowledge that is needed, but not only thinking, but concrete solutions that we were discussing about. So that was from the part of Forum. Another part, I'm really glad that tonight we join forces because this is about synergy. It's about synergy in order to move forward. And we really bring synergy among 3 events, and I look forward to meet your friends, Brane, and your friends, Christian, later on. So it's just my pleasure, warm welcome, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
On behalf of Slovenia Times, the organizer of the 3rd Foreign Direct Investment Summit, I welcome you here on Ljubljana Castle. We at the FDI Summit, we don't talk about a lot about very far future. We just talk about what is actually real investment opportunities in Slovenia, what's our environment in Slovenia, what's the obstacles for investors. And I will just say probably very shortly too, it was a lot of talking last 2 years, last couple of years. So now I think it's time for action, and thank you very much for joining us. I hope you will enjoy the evening. Thank you.
I would like to say a few words on behalf of the Programming Committee and Jury of the Ljubljana Forum Award. We will not give the award this year, but next year. We will start with this competition even with passion to win, and what we would like to do, what we would like to receive with this. We would like to give the award to the best project, simply the best project in Southeast Europe. We would like to give the award to the flagship project, to the lighthouse, which will show the way for the allocation of jobs. We need the action. We need the action. We concentrate even free conferences, and if nothing will happen today, then never will happen. So, dear ladies and gentlemen, your excellencies, mayors, the competition for the Ljubljana Forum Award 2013 is now open.
Every year we try to find a company, successful foreign company in Slovenia. And I will say the foreign companies in Slovenia are one of the always in one top Slovenian most successful companies.
The company Odelo is really happy to get this award. It's one of the motivation for us to go forward to our roadmap and vision to be a company for world-class manufacturing. And in general, I have to say thank you to our customer. They give us the trust in the last couple of years to produce in Slovenia the parts for Mercedes, for Porsche, for BMW and Audi. We changed a lot of supplier from Germany to Slovenia, and we are also happy with the supplier. So thanks a lot, have a nice evening and enjoy your time.
This week in Ljubljana, as Mr. Verbridge pointed out, the Pan-Slovenian Shareholders Association is hosting close to 100 of the highest shareholder representatives and investors from 55 countries. It is the largest international meeting of the investors' representatives in the world, who are for the very first time in history meeting at the same place and at the same time.
20 years ago, ladies and gentlemen, Euro Shareholders was founded in Brussels. We shouldn't forget about this. We have our 20th anniversary, actually, and I think it is a very good opportunity to use this 20 years of Euro Shareholders to give an award to an outstanding company. We look especially for companies that are investor friendly, and I think we found a very good company, a company with a very solid dividend policy. Each year they had a rise in the dividend. They were extremely good and constant in their results, and I think in these times it is outstanding to reach such a good outcome. Another very positive thing on this company is that it succeeded in winning a lot of foreign investors. Now I think this company had 15,000 investors at least. I think we have more than 50.7% of international investors who invested in this company, and they do this out of a reason. The winner of this award is a company called Krka, and we have Peter Subitska, who is here to take the award, and I would like to congratulate you very much. Krka is one of the world's leading pharmaceutical companies. It's seated in Slovenia, but is very good results, a very good economic development, and is very shareholder friendly.
Torej po najstrožjih kriterijih Evropskega združenja delničarjev, under the strict criteria, the award is given to company Krka for the shareholders friendly company.
It is an honor to receive this award from Euro Shareholders and Pan-Slovenian Association of Shareholders. I would like to thank them both on behalf of my colleagues at Krka. At Krka we have more than 69,000 shareholders, where retail shareholders represent the largest shareholder group. Now, this award represents a recognition of our good work in the past and at the same time a commitment for good work in the future. Thank you very much.
My friends are up there, they are taking over me. What I want to say, can the been around this, come on to see. I said, oh Lord, won't you buy me a color